Roger, thanks for dropping by. It's early in the day. I'm not dressed yet, still in my dressing gown, but I want to get this done and posted, and I didn't want to go upstairs and disturb Hannah because she's very tired at the moment. A long day for everybody yesterday, but a marvellous show, quite honestly. Lots of people, you know, getting to meet people I haven't seen for 18 months and stuff like that, so it was good stuff. And obviously everybody wants to know what I bought. Well, there's nothing spectacular, nothing rare, nothing unusual, but a couple of nice to haves, one of which is a replacement. So this is a sort of half unboxing and half unwrapping video. So we'll put that one out of the way. Are you going to come out or what? Perhaps you won't come out. Well, one of them's going to have to come out. Oh, I can see what's happened. The cardboard on the box is digging into the pots. Right, so we'll have that one out of the way. Just go there for a minute. That one was a nuisance on the way home, I'll explain. And then we've got this one. Box out of the way. Right. This just caught my eye. It's nothing spectacular, but you know, you can't go to an orchid nursery and, you know, have everybody entertain you all day long and not come away with something. So I had to choose something, and this caught my eye while I was filming. So what we've got is a nice Phalaenopsis type Dendrobium. It's a nice healthy plant. It's actually got a name. It's actually Dendrobium Sarnook Spring Eclipse, so an even named one. I'll see how close I can get the blooms, although the light's not very good yet today. They're very attractive blooms, lovely pale edge to them, and when the light gets on them, they sort of look backlit. So what we've got is a spike that's partially open and another spike that's not open at all. So we should have these blooms a nice long time. And this doesn't look like it's going to grow into a giant, because the actual cane that's in bloom is the largest and latest. And this was the only plant with something the others didn't have. A new growth, one that's still growing. So we should get another cane push on and possibly some more blooms in the not too distant future. That cane does look like it's still growing, but it might not be. That we'll have to wait and see. So that's one. You can go there. And then this one is a replacement, which I said if ever I see a good one of those again, I will get it. You don't buy these for the blooms, you buy these for the fragrance. And therein lies the problem. We had this in the car all the way home. Gave Hannah a busting headache. Some orchid fragrances in a confined space over a prolonged period can actually cause headaches. It doesn't affect me like that. But one of the most fragrant orchids that there is, really. Certainly out of the mass-produced ones, anyway. So what we've got is a new Shari baby. I'll bring that down. You'll see in the video in the sales area there was a whole bunch of these, and the plants varied considerably. Well, what I've got, bash the spike around, starting here, we've got a nice new growth pushing up there towards the centre of the plant. Got another new growth here. None of these are the growth with the spike on. Yeah, so we've got a lovely new growth there. Got another one here pushing on that may bloom, and then a very small one coming out there. Although that to me looks like it might be separate, so it may be a new plant there. Nice strong bulb with a new growth. I could grow that on, but until I get it out of the pot I won't know, and there's no rush to do that. It's in the cocoa peat, but it's dry, so I can control the watering. So yeah, I thought that was a good strong plant. I thought we'll have that. I've been looking for a replacement. Quite honestly, you can have 3 or 4 Sharry babies in your collection if you like. That way you may have one in bloom all the time. And then you've got that fragrance. Now these blooms are not going to last long. Every single bud is open on the branches and on the main stem right down to the tip. So I don't think the blooms are going to be with us too long, but the fragrance will be here while I've got them. Anyway, that's what I got. Say nothing spectacular, although as Sharry baby plants go, you don't come across one as good as that very often. That's why I grabbed it. And they did vary quite a bit. There was probably a dozen or so of these for sale, and they varied a lot, but this looked the largest and the strongest of the plants. You know me, I look at the plant rather than the blooms. There were ones there that had double spikes with many, many more branches and probably 3 times as many blooms, but they weren't such a good plant. I always go for the plant. So there we go, that's what I got. See you next time. Oh, it is Sunday today. The Sunday chat will be tomorrow. I'll get that done, but I just want a relaxing day today. I wanted to get something posted. I'll also be posting the clips of the Orchid Society displays, which is processing now. I'll get that posted. So you'll get 2 videos today, this one and another one, and then we'll get back to normal tomorrow. So I've got another driving day today. I've got to get Hannah home. So yeah, it's been one of those weekends. I don't know how many miles I've clocked up, but fetching Hannah on Friday, Burnham's on Saturday, yesterday, and then taking Hannah home today. So it's a lot of driving for me. Knackered on Monday, no doubt. But we'll get the Sunday chat done on Monday. And I'll see you next time.